mostly for kayakers to come off the river and, camp in tents, but there are parking spots there. We should be okay. I think Spooky will be happy. We made lots of things to see. We are definitely out in the middle of nowhere. I don't think I'll be posting this today.
The destination is on your left. Hollywood Bottom Park. Arrived.
Well, it says we've arrived. There's a gate. There it is. Hollywood Park. There's cows. Cows right in the park. Hello. Well, there's nobody here. That's nice. See what the sign says. The usual. And there's the river. So this is our little park. No cows this morning. It's still a little chilly. So I'm gonna have some tea and then we're gonna go for a walk. Go down to the river. And see what's what here. It's so cute. Let's go for a little walk. We had some company for a while. As soon as I stepped outside, he drove away. Oh, there's another truck there now too. Huh. Uh-oh. Fire ants. This is quite beautiful. Oh my goodness. I can see the little beach. See how to get to it. Spooky stayed inside. Didn't want to come for a walk with me. But I left the door open, maybe he'll join us. Yeah. The path comes to an end. Well, I'm not walking down that. That's a game trail. Let's see, maybe farther over. This one. Oh. That's beautiful. I don't know if I want to walk down that without a stick. I'll have to come back with a stick. Oh, this one looks promising over here. Oh yeah, much more promising. Pretty down here. I left the door open though, so I'm gonna come back, spend more time when the door's locked. I don't know if I've ever seen a concrete picnic table before. I guess the cows won't eat it, that's for sure. And they do spend a lot of time down here. There's cow patties and hoof prints everywhere. You can see where I'm parked there is a security light. It was nice to have overnight. When I let Spooky out, I could actually see out the back door, so I could tell if there were cows outside, or I could see when he was sitting at the door. But it wasn't too bright, it didn't keep me up. It is sure is quiet here though. It's beautiful. It's quite a gem. Oh, I love it. Oh, hey, did I mention the pecan trees? They're all over the place. I probably got enough on my roof to make a couple pies. I love the cows. Hilarious.